At $1,000 in savings, you feel relief. At $5,000, a little proud. But the moment you cross $20,000, something completely different happens, and almost nobody talks about it. Most people think saving money is linear. You save $100, you have $100. Save $1,000, you have $1,000. But once your balance hits $20,000, the rules of money start playing a completely different game. And if you don't know the rules, you'll lose the game without even realizing it. First, your money starts making money without you. At $20,000 in an index fund earning just 8% a year, that's $1,600 working for you while you sleep. That's $133 a month you never lifted a finger for. Compound interest isn't magic, it's math. But 20K is the point where you actually feel it. Second, your psychology changes completely. Below 20K, every emergency can wipe you out. A car repair, a medical bill, a lost job. But cross that threshold and something shifts in your brain. You stop making fear-based decisions. You stop taking bad jobs just to survive. You start thinking in opportunities, not emergencies. Third, doors literally open that didn't exist before. Want to start a side hustle? Now you can fund it without debt. Want to negotiate your salary? Now you can afford to walk away. Want to invest in real estate? 20K is often the minimum down payment. The wealthy don't just have more money, they have access to more options. And 20K is where that access begins. But here's the danger nobody warns you about. When most people hit 20K, they upgrade their lifestyle. New car, better apartment, more eating out, and they reset themselves back to zero. That's called lifestyle inflation, and it's the silent killer of generational wealth. Silent killer of generational wealth. So, what should you actually do once you hit 20K? The answer is in this playlist, link in the description. And if this video made you think differently about money, subscribe. Because next week, we're breaking down why the jump from $20,000 to $100,000 happens faster than you think. If you know exactly what to do, see you then.